We spend most of our lives on sailboats, mostly teaching people how to sail at our sailing school. We spend so much time traveling between locations, we needed a land-based sailboat. We needed a van. So we got this. This is Landon, our sailboat of the land one. And this is his story. All right, so most of the insulation's done on the van. I'll probably do a few more little nooks and crannies inside of the rafters and the beams, but we went with the 3M SM600L, R rating of 5.2, and we cut it to fit around panel spots, shoved it into all the little beams and holes as best we could, and the ceiling. So I bought, I think, 25 square feet and have probably 6 left. But all in all, pretty happy, easy to do. And it's done. So we're starting to lay the ceiling shiplap that we bought. The front will attach into that beam, the center into this beam, but the back, we didn't want it to come down another 1.5 inches. So what we did is we molded these to fit the roof line, and then I have a backer that screws into this piece of metal, and then this goes into that board. And we should have a nice flattish platform. All right, so I got day 1 van build wrapped up. We went with the pine shiplap roof, and it actually turned out fairly decent. We used a wood to metal screw for most of it, and then I ended up doing some 5200 in between some of the gaps to help it give it a little bit more hold. But the hard parts, getting everything lined up along these door edges, but it turned out pretty good.